Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we'll start with the second chapter of geography, that is endogenetic movements. Dear students, as you already know that the surface of the earth is constantly changing. In this chapter, we are going to study different movements in the interior of the earth. Before that, I will let you know the different natural calamities we face. The earthquake. In very simple language, the earthquake is shaking the ground. Then the hurricane. The hurricane is blowing from the sea. Thunderstorm. The thunderstorm is lightening up the dark forest. Then the flood. When there is heavy rain, the water mixed with the flowing rivers, it causes flood. Or maybe the second, melting snow from the mountain because of the global warming. When the global warming is there, the snow melts from the mountain and it is also causes flood. Volcanoes. When mountain lava comes out from the mountain, that's called volcano. In this chapter, we will going to learn a different natural calamities which affects the earth or around the area. See dear students, when the natural calamities occur, we lost people as well as the things also. Different kind of things were, burst, or the people lives are also lost. Before that, before starting this chapter, see one news is there, which is Nepal devastated. See, they have highlighted and they have this thing that powerful earthquake rocks Nepal. Nearly 1,500 people killed. See, they have highlighted this. Kathmandu, 25 April, PTI, that is Press Trust India. A powerful earthquake measuring 7.9 on the Richter scale struck Nepal today. Nearly 15 people were killed and over 1,000 people were injured in the disaster. See, this is a big loss that 1,500 people were killed and 1,000 people were injured because of these disasters. See, this headline is there. You can read this and you have to answer this. These questions are there in figure 2.1. These questions are there. You have to answer in. This is your activity. See, I have highlighted some points. I'll go through with that. First is Nepal devastated and 1,500 people were killed and 1,000 people were injured. Then, see, these tremors were also felt across the west stretch of east and the northeast India. That effect is also felt in east of the India and the northeast part of the India. It also felt in China, Bhutan, as far as Pakistan and Bangladesh. See, different cities are also, different countries are also felt this earthquake. Then, when it came 11:40 a.m. at the local time. If you will take the local time, it came on 11:40 a.m. Then Nepal after 80 years. When it comes after 80 years, the Nepal faced this earthquake. Then comes this. Focus 11 kilometer deep. Kitna deep tha? How deep it was? 11 kilometer. 17 more shocks after two big tremors. 17 all shocks lage the, more shock it was faced. Duration ranging from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Duration period was 30 seconds to 2 minutes. 2 minutes ko sirf 30 seconds bacha tha and we faced this earthquake. India, Bangladesh, Pakistan also experienced this. See, I have told you now the north part of India and the east part of India is also faced this earthquake. Then 22 states in India feel the tremors. Or before, apart from these, 22 states, maybe near Nepal, they have also feel this earthquake. See, now this question is there. It is very easy. You can answer it. This is your activity. Now, we'll start with the chapters. See, earth movements. Various natural events occur on the earth from time to time. Example, flood, storm, snowfall, rainfall, etc. Similarly, because of the movements blow from the earth's surface, natural events like earthquakes and volcanic eruption occur. when there is a changes, changes or something is there in the inside of the earth or the inner part of the earth, we face different kind of natural calamities. Maybe the earthquake or maybe the volcanoes. For example, for the organism living on the earth, these events are disastrous. There is a loss of life, property because of the natural calamities. Like I said before, we have loss. We have a big loss of the properties. Obviously, when the earthquake is, you can see the picture. The whole buildings are, burst. Because of these, we have to face the natural calamities or loss of people and the money or property. See now, let us take a look these internal and endogenetic movements. We will, see this example through the book. Now you have to arrange your notebook on each other with chalk, duster, sharpener, eraser on them as shown in the figure. See, they have book, chalk, duster, sharpener, eraser. Quickly take out a notebook without affecting the others as shown. See, you have done in the classes also. You have to make your book, arrange your books along with that chalk, duster, sharpener, and quickly take out your notebook. What will happen? The suddenly upper part of the earth will shake or upper part of your book will going to be shake. This is called natural calamity. Repeat the first step and give the slight push to the structure. Again you will repeat and slide. Agar slightly se खींचोगे, what will happen? That book will not going to be, the outer part of the books will not going to be shake so easily. But if you will do quickly, that this thing will going to affect easily. Understand till now? The earthquake will explain in the next lecture. Thank you so much.